In this video, we want to simplify the following expression. So we have a fraction divided by another fraction. Whenever you divide fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So the reciprocal of the denominator is 6r cubed t to the fourth all over 8t cubed r minus 4t squared r squared. Now, the common trap here is to multiply these things out. But what we should always do before we multiply is to simplify. So the first thing we could do is simplify this diagonal. The 6's are going to go away. R cubed and r squared will just become r. T to the fourth and t cubed, that's just t. So 1 is here. And the other thing is we can simplify this diagonal by factoring out a 3rt from the first term here. So if I factor out a 3rt, I need an r to get to 3r squared t. And then I need a negative 2t to get to negative 6rt squared. For this one, we see that we can factor out a 4t squared r. And the question is, what do we need to multiply 4t squared r to get to 8t cubed r? That's going to be 2t. And then finally, to get to negative 4t squared r squared, we multiply by negative r. And so now we can simplify this further. We have rt over here. That gets simplified with this r and this t. So instead of t squared, it's just t. And then we can get rid of this t. Finally, I can rewrite r minus 2t by factoring out a negative. So if I factor out a negative, I need to multiply r by negative to make it positive now, because two negatives will make it positive. And I want negative 2t. I have a negative already, so this better be positive 2t. So that's what I have over here. Now I can just rewrite this. Negative r plus 2t is just 2t minus r. This negative comes out in front. And so now I can get rid of these two. And I'm left with negative 3r over 4. And that is my answer.